Are you contemplating replacing your deck? Recycle your deck by either restoring it, flipping it, or both. As you can see, this 27-year-old pressure-treated pine deck was severely neglected. Watch the transformation in the following photos. The wood was rotting and hadn't been cleaned in almost 2 decades. Had enough? Over 3,000 nails were pulled from the upper deck and the larger lower deck. Here you see the boards have been flipped and resecured with Teflon-coated screws. No nails. Let TS Pressure Washing and Deck Restorations reverse your aging, neglected deck.